A few days ago, I posted a video of this tomato plant not producing. And look at this baby now. This one tomato is probably close to 2 pounds. This is beautiful. I guess I just had to be patient. I didn't do anything special. Look how big it is. Probably close to 2 pounds. I will pick it maybe tomorrow, maybe in 2 days. But this baby is loaded. I didn't do anything special. Didn't really give it any special food or anything. And look, it is loaded. The size is absolutely amazing. And it's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. I planted some big boys before, and I still have some of those, but I don't like the fact that those tomatoes will grow and the shape will be kind of like deformed, and a lot of times they will have cracks and eyes like this. But these tomatoes are beautiful, nice and big and round. Look at the shape. Amazing.